We're running the original Cedar Valley Nature Trail, 53 miles from Evansdale to Hiawatha. We start going southbound, crossing the Cedar River, and it's just a matter now of putting my head down and making some miles. All right, just past McFarland Park, which means I'm maybe 36 miles from home, so that's a good sign. And I've been on this trail, so now I've connected my bike path from past travel. So this is all familiar going from here in. So I got a nice little bench break coming right up in about half a mile or so. Okay, I don't know how I get lost on a trail that doesn't turn. But this does not look familiar. So maybe I oh! I don't know what I dropped. I dropped something. Oh, got some snacks. It's telling me I need to eat. I think that's right. Yeah. It says I'm like 38 miles from home. I don't think I've ever gone 38 miles before. So, this area does not look familiar. I don't think I've passed McFarland Park. Also, I think it says I'm 40 miles from home. I don't think I ever went that far on a bike in the last 20 years. So, I'm kind of lost, but I mean, obviously just stay on this road, path, old train track, and I'll get there. Well, as long as I drink half my water. And almost halfway there. All right, so this is McFarland Park. And now I'm connecting my trail. All right, as soon as I cross that road over there, then I've connected my bike path from previous days. And we'll see how far I actually am from home. Concept called Trail Magic. I'm sure you've heard of it. And basically it's where weary travelers get surprised by some type of refreshment or nourishment. And I've been here for a long time. And long enough to realize that there's some trail magic left for me. Nope, that one is emptied. Someone's already enjoyed that trail magic. But this one is not. Now we got to make sure it's sealed so no one's playing a prank. But you trail magics, this was left by a trail angel. 25 miles left, and I kind of realized that I haven't really stopped at one of these bathrooms, so maybe I'm not drinking enough water. It's nice to know familiar trails, what's around the corner, to look forward to it. Oh. All right, maybe I'll drink before I get back on the bike. It's easier that way. So at 40 miles and 6 hours, I had that real done feeling. Also with brakes, that's not even averaging 10 miles per hour. I'm gonna get within I don't know, probably a little over 45 miles. Not gonna get 10 miles in my last hour. I took too long of a break. Might get 5 miles in my last hour. People that hike almost that fast. It's wearing on me. Could be not enough water. Definitely not enough calories. Oh, good Lord. Probably gonna get into Center Point at 6:30. So I can probably eat, rest up, get back on the road. Maybe I should look for a restaurant. Oh, got to meet the wife at a bar in Center Point. It had a Reuben with sauerkraut, not too much sauerkraut, it was just right. Sweet potato fries, so I got my carbs, I got my fats to sustain, carbs to give me a jump start. It does sit a little heavy in my stomach, but I feel like I'm feeling the energy already. I don't know about the 3 beers. She didn't have any ibuprofen, so I supplemented. Hopefully those kick in pretty soon too. All right, 48 miles done. 12 left. Very familiar with this route. I've taken it 3 or 4 times. I can do this. I can get my 60. I've already passed my 36 personal best. And as my wife said, the test is, can I get on a bike tomorrow? So the challenge is not over after today. Love that woman, I tell you. Okay, adventure! Oh, they say you don't buy beer, you only rent it. Even so, I feel like I still got a couple in me. So maybe a couple more stops. Mile marker 8, which means 6 miles of trail and probably less than a mile from trail to my house. And I'll tell you, it doesn't feel great, but it still feels doable. I know I gotta ride at any moment. Oh, sorry. Now I'm the guy talking to himself. That's freaking awesome. This is the wrong camera for that moon. It's like a beach ball. I think it's huge rising up. Every adventure just has these moments. I typically be in the house, on the computer, and I'd miss that moon. Alright, we got a long hill, and I think after that long hill, there's a big dip under the road. And right here, this is short of 49 by 4. So, yep, 4 miles of trail. And I'm in town, headed home. Good time. Most people, that's just a bean field with dying volunteer corn. I just think it's beautiful. Boy, remember last winter when I had to hide out in these things? My face was getting sandblasted. Tonight is like perfect conditions. But almost twice the distance. So there's always something. Short of wiping out or getting broadsided by a deer, which is quite possible. I think we made it. I think your brother went from couch to 60 miles.